Hi, I'm Dr. Amy Baxter. I'm the inventor of VibraCool and the founder of MMJ Labs. VibraCool is a pain reliever that you can put on arms and legs, and I invented it primarily because as a pediatric emergency doctor, I was always trying to get doctors to deal with patients' pain. I started with Buzzy, which is a vibrating ice device you can use to block needles. We were asked to go to the AARP, which is a little weird because most older people don't mind needles, and in about 5 minutes, people were putting Buzzy on their trick fingers, on their bunions, on their knees, and we realized if we can stop needle pain, then knee pain is easy. So for about a year, we tried to see if people would take Buzzy for aches and injuries up, and it was too cute and it looked pediatric. The thing is that when you put ice and vibration together, you actually physiologically block pain in two different ways, kind of like when you burn your finger and you stick it under cold water. So we made the vibration a little smaller, made it last for 10 minutes. So if you have to ice an injury, you can ice it for 10 minutes or 20 minutes. And the coolest thing is we made a really neat cuff so that you don't have to sit in a couch while you're icing. You can just put the VibraCool inside the pocket and then put it on your knee. The biggest deal is that we made the ice packs freeze solid, so you get really intense ice, and then you can just wrap it right around your knee or your elbow or your ankle or really any place you hurt. When I was making Buzzy, one of the people I worked with at the hospital had to go through a knee replacement, and he was in recovery and didn't want to use any kind of drugs. So that was when I realized it'd be a lot better to decrease pain and decrease drug use with something that people could control themselves. I think the things that I like best about VibraCool are that the science is really strong. We're FDA cleared, and we've got about 20 studies proving that this frequency of vibration in ice blocks pain. But the coolest thing is people can control pain themselves. One of the things that's the worst about chronic pain is that you feel like you're never going to be yourself again. And being able to do something proactive that instantly makes it feel better, that makes it feel better for hours after, and that has a physiology to repair the muscle tissue to hopefully get rid of pain entirely, that's a really huge thing. We make our VibraCool devices in Suwanee, Georgia, so we can drive up and see how they're made and make sure they're good. And we have tested the ice packs so that they'll stay frozen for 20 minutes, so you get a really intense freezing that is revolutionary from sitting with a bag of peas on you. And I think that all of us in the office have used it at one time or another for running too much or running not enough, or falling over a yoga ball when a 3-year-old kicked it. There's really not anybody in the office who hasn't needed to use it because everybody hurts.